Got a 2014 E63 Bobcat. The customer's having issues with the starting. It's just real slow turning over. You see, it's got about 1,600 hours on it. I think it's it is a 2014. Firing up good now. If you have a starting issue, more than likely, well, possibly, this would be the same as what I had to do this one. That ground wire right there, it goes to shut off. It was real corroded, and you wouldn't ever see it until you took it off. Bobcat don't make the wire, and I couldn't find nobody to make the wire. But I went to Air Gas and bought the fittings and the welding wire. Yep, good to go.